All right, so that wraps up week 2, day 2 of the hypertrophy block. All right, we're making strides. All right, hopefully everybody got their sessions in. All right, we are 5 sessions into this program. This training block runs for 4 weeks. Like as I mentioned in the previous video, I might extend it to an additional 4 weeks. We're going to reassess at the end of this training block and see whether or not we jump into strength or if we jump into another set of this hypertrophy block. Anyways, getting ready to instruct this boxing class. So let me get set up and get ready to go. All right, see you in the next clip. All right, we're back at the crib. Go make me a quick little snack before I go pick up August from daycare. Now, before I do that, also, I got like about a couple of hours. I'm gonna go continue to edit those videos that I shot this week and see if I can come up with something special. Damn, there's a little cough situation going on around here, so, you know, stay away. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go do some more edits and yeah, continue to like be hyper focused. Like this is like focus season. I'm like on it and I'm gonna be relentless with my goals, like laser focus. Nothing's going to be distracting me this time around, you know, and I got to make it apparent in these vlogs so that when I rewatch it, I hold myself accountable, because I get a little down on myself sometimes and like for no reason, you know. I know that progress like is just slow sometimes, so I can't just put all my eggs in one basket and thinking that like a snap of a finger everything is just gonna fall into place. So I gotta make sure that I'm continuously aware that this is a process. Learn to enjoy and fall in love, make sweet love to the process, you know, marry the process, have babies with the process until, you know, it delivers your goals to you, right? So this is something that I gotta constantly remind myself of. Anyways, right now I'm just going to do all these things that I mentioned. So I'm going to end this video here. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and let's continue this discussion and build this community together, all right? Peace.